In this episode of Storytime with Dr. Young, we're reading Goodnight Lab by Ferrie. Let's get started. In the great green lab, there was a laser and a lab notebook and a picture of Einstein with a stern look. And there were 3 sticky notes stuck to lab coats, and copper wire, and a pair of pliers, and a spectrometer, and a thermometer, and a pen, and a coffee, and some crumpled rubbish, and a grumpy old professor shouting, "Publish." Good night, lab. Good night, laser. Good night, Einstein with a stern look. Good night, light and the lab notebook. Good night, sticky notes. Good night, lab coats. Good night, ammeter. Good night, voltmeter. Good night, thermometer. Good night, spectrometer. Good night, pen. And good night, rubbish. And good night to the grumpy old professor shouting, "Publish!" Good night, liquid nitrogen. Good night, compressed air. Good night, scientists everywhere. The end. This has been Storytime with Dr. Young.